Assalamualaikum children. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your phonic reader book 2. And today we are going to read the page number 41. So open your book and read with me. Children, this is page number 41. Now let's start the reading. THIS this, FOAM foam, IS is, SOFT soft. This foam is soft. IPLAN plan, TO2, JUMP jump, IN in, THE the, BOAT boat. I plan to jump in the boat. I plan to jump in the boat. THE the, CAT cat, IS is, INN, THE the, COAT coat. The cat is in the coat. The cat is in the coat. YOU HAVE have, THE the, BEST best, COAT coat. You have the best coat. You have the best coat. HE LOOK look, THE the, GOAT good, on, THE the, ROAD road. He took the goat on the road. He took the goat on the road. WEV HOLD hold, THE the, BOARD board, BOARD board. WITH with, THE the, HAND hand. We hold the board with the hand. We hold the board with the hand. I hope children you will read this page at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.